Introducing our next competitor representing 103 Coffee Workshop from Malaysia, we have Nicky Voon Pei Xin.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
Judges, whenever you're ready.
Hello, judges. Hello. Good afternoon. Hey, good morning. Hello. Ciao. Can you hear me? A little bit. Hello, hello. Okay, my text done. Judges, are you ready? Technical? Okay. Time. Hello, judges. I'm Nicky from Malaysia. I'm so excited to be here again in the World Latte Art Championship, as this is my second time standing on this amazing stage, and I can't wait to share with you about my passion. Please wait a moment, and I will get back to you. Alright, judges, when talking about birds, we all will think of freedom, right? Especially a flying one. So my first design will be a flying parrot. By looking at it, I hope you all can feel the freedom. Let's start the first one. Excuse me. Alright, the first one. Please enjoy. Excuse me. Alright, the second one, please enjoy. And I will right back for my second design. right, judges, let's move on to my second design. It's a footer. It's elegant and confident, just like both of you. Excuse me. Let's start the first one. Thank you. Now, I'm gonna add some details. Excuse me. Okay, the first one, please enjoy. And the second one, enjoy. Thank you. All right, judges, I hope you enjoy my presentation. Time.
Give it up for Nicky Voon Pei Xin from Malaysia. Well done, Nicky. Hey, come on over.
Hi. All right.
All right. Nicky, not your first rodeo. This is your second time here at Worlds, yes?
Yes. I'm so excited about this. And then it's after a long year, I think it's 2.5 years. Yeah, can't wait for the world stage. Yeah, happy to meet all the new barista and my friend.
Is it harder the second time around? Was it more pressure for you the second time around?
More
or
enjoyable.
More enjoyable.
Yeah.
Great. That's
And
what we
then-
love to hear.
Yeah, just now I have troubleshoot the problems because I'm too short and then the judges table is too tall. Yeah, so I move back a bit so I can pour properly.
Hey,
Yeah.
as a short competitor myself, I relate. So
Thank you.
the world is not built for short people. So is there anything you want to say to anybody, to thank your team or anybody supporting you from home? Malaysia is a long way away, so.
Sure, for sure. So for the first, I want to thank you my Malaysia team, all my supporters. Thank you so much, and I can't wait and then to make you all proud of it. Yeah, because of represent country and then it's my country Malaysia. It's my pleasure too. Yeah.
You were very clinical with your work. It was excellent to watch you, so you should be super proud of yourself. Well done.
Thank
you
you
so
so
much,
much.
Nicky. Another big round of applause for our competitor, please.
Thank you.
Well done. Take
Thank
a
you.
break. You deserve it.
Thank you.
All right. And just before we cut to our next commercial break, make sure you're checking out our sponsors on the show floor as well as enjoying the rest of the show at World of Coffee Milan over the next 3 days. We'll catch you in a moment.